Hi, this is Chef Brad from the WonderMix Company. Using our WonderMix today, the blender, to show you how to make some amazing beverages for your summer barbecue or family gatherings. I love having a really good beverage when I have my family around. And I have a formula that I use, everything equals a gallon. So no matter what I do, it's gonna equal a gallon. So I have a couple gallon pitchers here. I have my blender here, and I have some fresh fruit and some other ingredients that I'm gonna use to whip up in moments, just some really refreshing beverages. Right now I'm gonna make you a watermelon basil, or if you have fresh mint in your garden, mint works really well too. So lemonade, if you have fresh lemonade, it works great. If you don't, just buy some concentrate lemonade. And I'm gonna pour that in my blender. If I'm using concentrate lemonade, I'm gonna cut back on the amount of sugar I use. And you can use sugar. One of my favorites is agave because it's low on the glycemic index, or coconut sugar. You can use whatever kind of sweetener you want to sweeten it up a little bit. So then I'm just gonna take a nice big handful of fresh basil or mint and just put that right in my blender. And then this is a watermelon one, so I'm gonna take watermelon and just put in here. And you can put as much watermelon as you want in there. We're just gonna pack it with watermelon. And that basil, oh my goodness, it smells so good in there. We're gonna put the lid on. And you know, I'm gonna add a little bit more sugar to this. So we're gonna add about a cup of sugar, put the lid on, and we're gonna turn this on high, and we're gonna blend it until it's totally blended. There aren't any more little basil leaves in there. It's just totally blended. And then we're gonna pour it in our pitcher, fill it up with water, chill it down, and we have a perfect beverage. Okay, there we go. We have our basil, oh my goodness, and watermelon. We're gonna pour this in the pitcher. And I want just a little bit more watermelon in there. So I'm gonna take this watermelon and put it in here and blend this up. And then I'm gonna add it to that and then fill it up to the top with water. And we have a wonderful summer refreshing drink. There we go, our watermelon is nice and great. I don't even worry if I have seeds in there. When you're using a good blender, it'll just pulverize the seeds and you don't have to worry about it. Now we're gonna pour this into here. Fill it up with water to the top. And there is our basil watermelon lemonade. Chill it down and serve it over ice, and it's gonna be the highlight of your summer barbecue.